Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with my makeup tutorials. I know I kind of stopped doing them for a while, but I'm back again. So today I'm doing a spring makeup tutorial. I really hope you love it, and let's get started. So for today's look, I am using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to start with applying this yellow shade on my crease. I did add a little piece of tape on the side of my eye just because I want to have like a clean eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be applying this orange shade on my crease as well. It's kind of like a sunset vibe, you know. Next, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Lolly Mama on my crease. And I'm just applying this color to darken up the crease a little bit, you know, to make it stand out a little more. I'm cutting my crease. You guys already know I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain or Vanilla. It's either one of them that I use, but after that I did set it with translucent powder. I don't really like I don't really like setting it with eyeshadow. I feel like powder works better for me, but I mean, you can use whatever you like. Next, I'm going to be applying the same eyeshadows I applied on my crease on my eyelid. I'm just going to be applying them in order. So I did apply the pink shade first on the outer V of my eye. On the middle of my eyelid, I did apply the orange shade, and on the inner half of my eyelid, I applied the yellow shade. So I did apply glitter. I just didn't record this part because my camera died and I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I did apply this glitter from the Makeup Shack in the shade Lemon Drop. For primer, I'm using my Milk Makeup Primer. This is one of the best primers I've ever used. I love it. For foundation, I actually got a new one. So I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation, I believe, in the shade NW20. I'm not sure though. I'll have a link down below just in case I'm wrong. So for concealer, I'm using this one by Milani in the shade Medium Beige. I did get a new one because I do my makeup almost every day, so I'm not gonna be using my high-end concealers, you know, to do my makeup every day. So I do have like my drugstore products. I need to go get a foundation though because I did finish my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, so I need to go back and get it. But yeah, I'm just going to be blending everything out with my beauty blender. For powder to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. To finish up this look, I'm going to be applying lipstick. So first I'm applying this lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury, and I think the lipstick I'm going to be using today is by Charlotte Tilbury as well. Yeah, it is, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk. Honestly, I love Charlotte Tilbury products, but girl, they're like pretty expensive. But yeah, they're really good products. I highly recommend them. So I forgot to put highlighter, so I'm just doing that really quickly. And that is it. This makeup is all completed. I really hope you loved it. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you on my next video.